Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you, we discuss with you how to use Floor Revive Hardwood Floor Polish. So you might be wondering what is this Floor Revive that you are hearing or seeing online. So Floor Revive Hardwood Floor Polish here, also sold as Floor Revive Professional Floor Restorer, is a floor restoration product designed to improve the appearance of worn hardwood floors without sanding or refinishing. Now, according to the official website here, it's a floor restorer rather than a cleaner, meaning its purpose is to restore shine, enhance the wood's color, and leave behind a protective coating that helps resist everyday scuff, scratches, and dirt. Now, it's designed to use or for use on sealed hardwood floors as well as engineered wood, laminate, vinyl, bamboo, and similar sealed flooring surfaces. Now, the product's main features include restoring the floor's natural shine and color and filling the appearance of light surface scratches. Now, creating a smooth, non-slip finish and drying quickly after application. Now, the company also states that one application can refresh dull-looking floors without the need for sanding or stripping for the existing finish. Now, the official website currently lists 32-ounce bottle at around $49.99 for one product. Now, from the original $69.99 of the original pricing here. Now, this kind of bundle offers are also available here for purchasing multiple bottles as well. So how do you exactly use this? So using Floor Revive is straightforward. So just first sweep or vacuum the floor thoroughly to remove dust and dirt. From then on, just clean the floor completely and allow it to dry before applying the restorer. Now gently mix the bottle by rocking it instead of shaking it. Then pour a small amount directly onto the floor and spread it evenly using a clean microfiber applicator or, in this case, a microfiber mop. Now, we work in small sections while following the direction of the wood grain, and once the entire floor has been coated, allow it to dry before walking on it. Now, if desired, an additional coat can be applied after the recommended drying time for a glossier finish, according to them. Now, the manufacturer also recommends allowing the floor to fully cure before moving furniture back in place or exposing it to heavy foot traffic. Now, one important note here, a point, is that this product is designed to restore the finish of the floor, not repair deep damage. Now, it can improve the appearance of light scratches and worn areas by adding a new protective coating, but it won't remove deep gouges, warp boards, or structural damage to the wood itself because it leaves a protective layer on the floor. Proper surface preparation is important to achieve the finish here. But yeah. So if you do have questions about this product before purchasing, you can go and visit their official website and go to their contact information or read through their refund policies or terms of service. But that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.